warroonni chaanaalii keenyaaf haaraa taatan subscribe nu godhaa. Good morning guys. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ada kan lalu anti-epileptic drug. Our topic is about anti-epileptic tonic-clonic seizure drug of choice phenytoin. Generalized tonic-clonic seizure phenytoin for focal epileptic inamo levetiracetam. Focal epileptic Wanni isa filannuuf ADR reason less ADR than phenobarbital. ADR isaa phenobarbital gad waan ta'eef jechuudha. Anti-epileptic is pregnant in a lowest effective dose of anticonvulsant according to the type of epilepsy. Lowest effective dose is low kata fayyadamna. Dose isaa xiqqeessine jechuudha. Dose isaa xiqqeessine fayyadamna for the patient pregnant. New anticonvulsant are not recommended. Haaroon immoo kennamuuf nama pregnant ta'eef jechuudha. Haaraa qoricha haaraa fayyadamnu jechuu clear for generalized tonic-clonic seizure is phenytoin. Focal epilepsy dhaaf ammoo levetiracetam. Wanni isa filannuuf less ADR than phenobarbital. Anti-epileptic with pregnant yoo ta'e lowest effective dose of anticonvulsant according to the type of epilepsy. New anticonvulsant are not recommended for anti-epilepsy. New anticonvulsant fayyadamnu for pregnant. For generalized tonic-clonic seizure is phenytoin. Folic acid 5 folic acid use should administer for 3 months to prevent folic acid deficiency. We use folic acid because to prevent folic acid deficiency. Prevent gochuuf phenobarbital, carbamazepine, phenytoin are administered. Supplementation should begin 4 weeks before expected. Supplement should be begun if phenobarbital, carbamazepine, phenytoin are administered. Supplementation should begin 4 weeks before expected. Supplementation before expected. HIV patient with epilepsy drug of choice is levetiracetam. If every patient have HIV with epilepsy, drug of choice is levetiracetam. School age 4 up to 10 age. Childhood absence also called childhood absence epilepsy. Is drug to summarized diragii kana jechuudha kan nuti fayyadamnu school age for up to 10 yoo ta'e childhood absence epilepsy yoo ta'e kan nuti fayyadamnu etusumide levetiracetam HIV with epilepsy levetiracetam also focal epilepsy levetiracetam less ADR phenobarbital wannan fayyadamnu fitirratti jechuudha. ADR of anti-epileptic drug. One phenobarbital is rush. Anti-ADR phenobarbital rushidha. Carbamazepine lowest intelligence. Valproic acid namo neuronal damage and weight gain. Lamotrigine common safest anti-epileptic with lamotrigine. Common safest. Etusumide sleep disturbance. Lamotrigine sleep disturbance. Akkasii dawaa anti-epileptic ilaalle as I think it is clear all. If you have question, comment under this. See you on other topic. Jabaadhaati. Akkasitti laala. Assalama. Bye bye.